Okay, here we go. We are live. Right, here we are. What day is it? Monday, 9th of June. Hello,
Halfway through the
everyone.
year.
Huh?
Basically halfway through the year.
Halfway through the year. People are going to be wondering who we are. This is Luan. I'm and we trade gold. You know, day traders. We're on our 50k challenge, basically. And we already had one day in it, but we couldn't go live because our this account that we got right now is so fresh. We had to wait like 24 hours. So we just went, we just recorded ourselves trade. That was a loss of 0.6%, wasn't it?
0.4.
Nah,
Yeah,
it
I
was
think it
300
was
and something.
0.4.
Yeah, but
We
that's not
caught it,
100k.
we made it back. Oh no, yeah, you're right.
This is
Yeah,
50k.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna trade live because we tend to do stupid stuff when we're alone. That sounded wrong, innit? But we're not. We just like overtrade and shit like that. So we've told ourselves we'll record ourselves. We go live. That way we can be held accountability, and we don't do stupid shit. Basically trade just London session, seven no 8 till 10. I do trade pre-London as well, but that would be like 3 hour stream, and that would have been like way too long. So I got two different accounts. I trade my personal, which is another challenge, still in phase 1. Um, you know, pre-London or New York, whatever. Um, but this 50k is gonna be solely just for the 8 to 10 trade. Luan's got 50k as well. We're both taking the same trade. We're both reading the charts together, and yeah, trying to get funded. In it, boy.
that's the plan.
Yeah,
That's the plan.
and get dragged out of bed.
Follow your dreams.
Anyway, what can you see right now? I'm just checking. Right,
I'm
so
thinking waiting for the retest.
I
If it
think so as well.
retests the Asia,
Now that's what I'm worried about is the retest. Will it take my other position out? Basically, I've already entered um this morning, which that's the one that you can see on the screen right now, which I've moved my stop loss to break even. Currently floating at 1% profit. I could potentially close this, but because I'm not in a drawdown in this account, I thought might as well let it run. I don't have anything to lose in it, so but this retest could potentially take me out. Oh yeah, what do we trade? So we trade like very simple stuff. We create a daily range, Asia high, Asia low, and it's basically just support and resistance. Yeah, and currently price is broken above Asia high, so more than likely it will retest Asia high before we carry on going up. The bias for today is bullish, very bullish, because of what we had on Friday. Um, I, we're well, not me. We're both expecting price to at least hit this level in it before going lower. Overall trend is bullish though on the 4 hour. Um, but yeah, on the Friday trade was pretty funny actually because I think it was around here. We were here, and we did say that it's looking bearish, like especially for Friday. What happened Monday and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is just consolidation, and we expected some big bearish movement. Well, not big bearish, at least the 4 hour to close below here. And we did have a big bearish movement. Um, but the trade that we took between 8 and 10 was here, purely because we saw this rejection on the Asia low, and one of the criteria is, although the higher time frame, goes certain way, we still trade off rejections on the Asia low and Asia high, even for like a minor retracement. So yeah, we traded retracement on this day. The first one was um stop loss. That's why we hit that we entered here purely because on the 15 minute it looked like we were breaking higher. Rejected off this uh Asia low. That wick took us out, and then we were like, okay, so we didn't quite retrace as far as we thought it would, but because our general direction is bearish, if this candle closes below Asia low, we were gonna shorten it on that day. But because it was such a big rejection, and then the next candle was
The
indecisive as
fake
well.
out, was
Yeah,
it?
yeah, that's what we thought. We were like, to be fair, yeah, on the first trade we did say, look, it's got two fucking clear double bottoms there. That on the ICT terms, it's got liquidity resting there. It might take that liquidity out before it going up, and which it did, and we got luckily we managed our risk a bit because the original risk was 1%, wasn't it? And then we closed half at I can't remember at which point. And then we only lost like 0.6, yeah, 0.6%. It is 0.6, isn't it? What
Yeah,
was the total we lost on that
like £400, 360 to be
360?
exact. Yeah,
So 360. This literally, yeah, yeah, around about 0.6. Um, and then yeah, because that closed, we saw another buy opportunity, which was around here. And then entered on that buy, went on profit for a bit. Um, I did highlight that, we might react from this zone here. Um, from this zone here, and as soon as we hit that zone, we moved our stop loss to break even and ended up hitting break even, which was fine. But because that's like the trade that we took between 8 and 10, and we told ourselves, even though we see setups in the afternoon or whatever, right, we're not gonna take it because this 50K will purely be for just live trading. Um, so yeah, we're just waiting for a retest. How are we looking here? We got one viewer. Our first viewer. I don't know how to actually work this yet. Where to see the comments and that. Do we have to log in here? Chat is disabled. Why is chat disabled? You just right. I'm just trying to log in to open up chat. Um, Where do I turn on comments? Do you know, Luan?
What?
Where do we turn on comments? Here we go. Show how many. Oh wait, what?
None more.
Comments are disabled for. Comments are turned off on videos designated. Oh, is that why?
What?
Let's select this.
We're not out here making kids videos.
No, but then you'd have to be like over 18 to watch this.
No,
You know, you give them
bro.
restrictions.
No, bro. Look, there's different videos on FX on YouTube that you can
So if we flick
continue.
this,
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
oh, is it?
I think so.
Ah, okay. Do we have comments? Has that changed anything?
Bang on.
Oh, we do. Sweet. Right, that's sorted. Back to this. So this is the trade that I'm on my personal one. This isn't the 50k one. For the 50k, we're gonna wait for a retest or create some sort of structure where we can trade off.
Still can't comment though.
Yeah, I wonder why. What we saying? So,
We're not buying.
not yet. I don't think. Floating 1.5% at the moment. I don't see. Did you want to buy then?
Sure,
Hmm. What on that retest then?
mm.
They're usually on a 15-minute retest, isn't it? I was hoping price to go a bit lower. But that shit's fucking flying now, isn't it? The only problem is, you know how price is moving so aggressively? It's still,
Can come down.
there's still a retrace, that's possible. What time is it? 8:15. Why can't I get? I'm trying to get the comment section on my other screen. But it's only on this screen. Why is it? We got 3 views.
2 years.
Yeah. And we got 1 like. Strong start, man. But yeah, bruv. Oh look, we've created a structure now. Should we remove this? And let me remove this blank chart.
Nah, keep that on. That's your trade.
Yeah, but that's on the other one, isn't it? This is for 50k. There's a structure, Luan. Simple shit. Wait until price breaks and closes above that.
To be honest with you, I don't want to buy there. I want to buy.
You want to buy lower?
Yeah, yeah.
Which is fair one because
Spread
we
stop
have
loss below Asia
we
high.
have a nice little fair value gap here we could buy off.
It takes the piss though. Sometimes you think it's gonna come here, but
It'll actually come way
fucking
down,
and then it goes.
and then it'll close above. It'll take me out, and yeah, but that's the reality in it. This Asia high looks like a strong area, even from like, yeah. Whole lot of waiting. I'm gassed, you know. 3 views and 1 like so far. Don't you think? This is live, bro. This ain't like what we are doing last week. Last week we were doing like a mock thing, innit? Because this account wasn't ready yet to go live. Um, we did the same shit, but we knew no one was watching. So, but now there's no going back, bro.
From 8 till 10, guys.
From 8 till
If we
10.
take a trade, make sure you follow it.
Yeah,
Nah, leave it. Wait.
we'll leave it. This is the shit thing, innit? Like 2 hours live, but you're just waiting. Just waiting. Do you think we should back test to kill the?
Nah, just watch. Just wait. Play darts. Shall I go get coffee?
Yeah,
You want coffee?
good shout. Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, man. Oh man, still one comment here.
What do you want, Americano?
Yeah. Yes, please. What happened there? Where is the comment section? Yeah. Comments. Welcome to live chat. Remember to guard your privacy. Actually, what if I do this? Oh shit. What the fuck? Minimize that. And then get you over to the other screen. Yeah, it works. Nothing going on there. Sweet. That should do it because I can see the comments on the other screen. Happy days, man. Happy days. 18 minutes. Yeah. The only thing is, I can see on my live, it's like there's a big delay. Why is such a big delay? Public, thumbnail, playlist, audience, and Yeah, bro. I don't know what's happening on my I don't actually know if the what you guys are seeing is delayed or cause I can't fucking see anything. Well, I can see what the YouTube is showing. I think that's what it's showing, and it's like super delayed. God damn it! Right, let's draw some few structures. There's our next one. Currently on this one. Break and close bit above this. We're gonna aim for that. Stop loss where 76 pips. Where the fuck's Luan, man? I would, I wouldn't mind entering, but he wants to wait, which is kind of bad shout. He likes trading, you know, a simpler support and resistance. Um, Asia high, Asia low, but he wants to trade as in put an order in as close to Asia high as possible. But me, I would have ended now. Well, wait and close, but that's a good entry there. If we break and close above this zone, then we're flying to there. 3333. What number? What's the one saying? Look at him. He's messaging me now saying, "Shall we enter?" It's a bit late, isn't it? I did tell him, and to be fair, he's not wrong either. This, oh, I'm only saying that because it's gone my way. Had it gone the other way, it would have been well. And if we ended earlier, it would have been drawdown. Um, and there's still a possibility of going into a drawdown if we enter now, like once this closes. But I feel like today and tomorrow it's going to be aggressive buys or aggressive retest until 343. That's my target. Might not even get there. There's something to look out for here. This trade, yeah, that we're looking for today and tomorrow, it's just like it could react from anywhere. Because I feel like we're breaking away from the overall trend on the 4 hour, which is you know bullish. But you gotta trade what you see in it. I mean, if we break this zone and close like above it, then we might just carry on going, you know, up on the higher time frame at least. It's done the move that we expected, um, which was this Friday afternoon. So currently, although our bias is, you know, shorting still, bearish, yeah, we could be completely wrong. I must be in like good profit on my 100k challenge. 2%, not bad. I don't know if you can see. 2% currently floating. Um, Stop loss is still at break even.
Too late.
Yeah. When you said, and should we enter? We were like already up here, isn't it? Cheers. What's that? You hungry, huh?
Sausage, not muffin.
You not fasting here these days, bro? Huh?
Man, it's long having event days now.
Yeah. Well, what time do you guys have lunch? What time do you guys have lunch?
5 o'clock.
Yeah, it's fast till then. Don't look at me like I'm crazy, bro. You fasted that until then before. No, retracing. Well, looking back. Oh no. Look, hey, if you want to enter, we've got a potential entry coming up soon.
Is it reversing?
Yeah, on the 5 minute because it jumped up, isn't it? Well, it's got to retest this at least. What do you want to do? It's not an ideal. To be fair, like, that was the plan. If it fucking breaks and closes above this zone, enter. Where would our stop loss be though? That's the risky one. Because when I see price move like this, yeah, the way it's doing, and we didn't like, we didn't have a strong bearish candle to retest the Asia high before going up. I'm still like, I'm waiting for that to happen. And if we enter now, we're gonna have to have our stop loss somewhere where it could retest, and that'll just be a shitty fucking loss. Luan is correct when he says he wants to enter as close to this zone as possible. But yeah, man, it's looking like okay. We've closed above. Do you want to enter? If we enter though, where's the stop loss? That's the only issue that I have with this current price action. I'll tell you what.
Let
Well,
it
no,
get
no.
to here,
I'll tell you what.
and it will.
Here's a plan. Here's a plan. What do you think about this? Almost a 1 to 1 ratio. Huh? If we break above the previous high, would you feel confident entering until the next zone? Which is here.
1 to 1 though.
Huh? 1 to 1.
Yeah, I guess so.
We're retracing pretty hard though, Luan.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Let's
It is good.
enter now.
What do you mean enter now? What, just out of random?
No, it's got to the zone that I told you.
No, that's there. Bro, come over here and look at the chart, bro. Man's munching and he's like this. Yeah, let's enter. Huh? Wait, look. That's my zone.
Whether we enter, let me do it.
That's not the mouse.
Oh, whether we enter here
Yeah.
or here, we're just missing out on profit. Our stop loss will be here. You know what I mean?
So you want to enter like this
Mm.
and aim for that?
Nah.
What do you mean nah?
Higher.
Where the hell would you enter?
I
What do you
would
mean
aim.
higher? Where? You want to aim for 344? Hmm? Hurry up.
40, yeah.
Just look at this, bro.
Mm.
Is that what you want to aim for?
Yeah. You don't think?
I do think it's a long way up. Yeah. How the risk though? Risk. Don't you think that's a bit
0.5.
like right on Asia high?
Yeah, just do a smaller lot. Yeah, a little bit more.
Because you know when it retests, it will
Still have
it'll
we
retest it.
still have a chance at the profit so much.
Of course. Or we just wait until it gets here. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Kind of thing. Huh? What do you say? That fair value gap is a good one because it's on the 30-minute and the 15-minute. Would look a bit like this. Now that I would be happy taking. Look, 2.5 there.
Versus reward, 2.5.
Yeah.
Thing is, it might not come there.
Right. Okay, let's do it. Shall we do it? It's still like, for me, the stop loss has to be below a structure. In it, like, for example, like this. You see this structure here? But we haven't created one yet. So I think it'll still come down, create that structure, and carry on going up. But like you see, like this.
Yeah,
You get what I'm saying? It's going. It's created a structure and it's going. Then that's a good place to put our stop loss. But right now, I mean, look at this. Look at that 1 hour, bro. That's a strong move. And you could be right. If we enter now, this price could just fuck off. I mean, it's not like it can't do that. Of course it can. The only thing I'm saying is that 1 hour has moved a long way. And I like your original plan. Buy as close to Asia high as possible. Yes or no? Up to you. If you want to buy, we can buy now. And risk maybe like 0.5%.
No way. Wait for it to create a structure like this.
I mean, we have one structure there, right here. But the only reason why I'm so defensive is because how prices move so far. And it's just like gone in it. There's always going to be a retracement. And you don't want to enter just before retracement because you spend most of the time in drawdown. And that ain't good. Like even now, I should be feeling good. But do I feel good?
You still in profit?
I don't know. Yeah, I was floating 2%. No, not anymore. Because look how far we've come down. 1.2. If the 15-minute breaks below the previous wick, yes, I'm expecting it, but it's not a nice scene. Because then you never know. This could be like the highest it's gonna retrace, and it's gonna fucking shoot down. You get what I'm saying? Like on the 4-hour fair value gap, we've tapped in, and yeah, on a 1 hour, we've got a little like order block here, and this could just react from this and just go straight to hell, not giving us any entry, breaking even on my other trade, which I was floating 2%. You know, but that's what prime market does. The whole reason for us to go live isn't to, get every price action right, get every entry right. It's more to do with that over there, which is we've got a road to 50k rules written down, which is staying between 0.5% and 2% risk and 2% max loss per day. That's the biggest reason why we're going live. It's not to like get the best risk reward. It's not to, what do you call it? Like the influencers nowadays, they show you, because they're like amazing traders. They show you like 5-to-1 risk reward. They show you like 80% win rate. It's not for that. It's to manage our risk. Profits, how profitable we are, how good we can read the chart is not on the topic, realistically. Yeah. Hit it. Why is your mic off?
It's on, bro.
No, it's not.
Jeez. Oh.
Oh yeah. And price might
Now we can
looks
start
like
looking at entering.
yeah, looks like it is coming towards our entry, which is good. Patience, isn't it? Patience is key. But I'm not patient on my other account because now I'm floating 1%.
I think we should end.
Huh?
I think we should end.
What do you mean, bro? Don't just. Well, we can.
Yeah, come.
5 minutes to start. Wait, what time is it? We got 20 minutes left. Yeah. Where do you want the stop loss though? That's the biggest question I have right now. Ooh, nice. Huh? Where do you want to enter? I think 3320 or 3321 is a good entry.
How much is 1%? 50, 100,
500.
500.
Do you want to enter now or wait for a structure?
No.
Huh? Don't
No,
just.
bro.
I think it's.
Yeah, now?
Wait, what do you mean now? Where's our stop loss? What lot size?
16.
16
One
what?
lot.
16 what?
1680.
1680. Don't mark it entry. Put an order in. Shall we put an order in? Where's your order entry? Right below that wick.
Missed it.
What do you mean missed it?
I reckon we missed it, bro.
You thought that earlier. If we miss it, we miss it, bro.
Yeah, fuck it, you're right.
There's no, because we felt like we missed it earlier, right?
I've put an order in 320. Yeah, completely.
320. No, 321. Put an order in at 321. Bang on at 321, yeah? And stop loss 3316. Oh, you put an order in.
16, yeah.
3316 point what?
7-1.
71.
Yeah, we've missed it. It's gone.
Don't think that, Luan. Even if we miss
so
it.
jarring, bro.
Huh?
So annoying.
Why do you feel like this? Look at me.
Because it's...
No. Where are you in that chart right now, feeling wise?
Fuck this.
Huh?
I'm not sure, bro.
This is exactly why we're going live, is to fucking reduce this emotion. I couldn't give a fuck. But if my other trade hits break even and we don't even trade today, in my head, I was already floating 2%. Yeah? You know that feeling? Anger, feeling like you missed out on this. What's that? Fear of missing out. All of that shit, yeah? That's the thing you need to iron out, Luan. And what did I say? I literally just said it. It's not about how much profit we can make, how quickly we can pass this challenge. It's about suppressing that emotion and just fucking managing our risk. That's why we're here to do live, bro. I don't care if there's viewers. I don't care if people chat shit. We need to focus on suppressing our emotion. We're gonna get days like this where we missed our entry. We're gonna get days like where we put an order in and it's fucking come this close and it fucking went off out the other way, right? And what can we do?
You're right.
Yeah. So whatever you're feeling right now, you need to suppress it. Get good at not feeling good. I heard that frustration, bro. And that's why people don't know it yet, but our guy right here was funded not too long ago. Funded 10 grand. 10K account he was funded and he fucking blew it because of this feeling. Right? Am I right or am I wrong? What are you doing?
Just looking.
You look like you're about to enter.
Just looking, bro.
Yeah.
Just looking.
When I heard that, I was like, oh, this guy entered. Shit. Right, Luan. Hey, Luan, come. Get it. Stop feeling shit, bro. Just look at price action.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Yeah.
What can we do?
Huh?
It's just staring at the profit that we could have made.
Okay. No. Oh, what? How much would you have made?
We would have been up like what?
1%.
Nah, no way.
Because look, they hit. Here is another entry.
Yeah,
option,
we would have been up 1%.
Huh?
No, we would have been up like.
Bro, don't react like that. There's an order block right here. We could use that, or we could just wait until the fair value gap gets tapped.
No, just wait now.
Trust me, you know, like on the 15-minute, we're gonna come down, bro.
It's too late to risk.
We're not enter now. We do have a structure here now, huh? Do you know what I'm saying? We've got a structure and somewhere to put our stop loss. In all honesty as well, this isn't the cleanest price action either. Because price just doing whatever. Frustration, don't feel frustrated. What's that song? What was that song? I just did a bit of remix.
Yeah, bro, this is a buy.
Fuck off.
Save up to half price on holiday heroes at Boots. That's your summer sorted. Dreaming of a holiday? Get up to last minute deals. Swap your office desk for a Sunlander. Swap your cup of tea for an all-inclusive.
Oh
Mm.
shit.
Yeah, this is the song. I got a song for you, Luan,
What?
to make you feel better.
Yeah, you do.
I do.
Battery 90%. Connect with you. Can't find you. Connect with you. Arms not prepare.
This is a song for you. Huh? To cheer you up a bit because we missed entry. What are you doing,
Dun,
man?
dun, dun, dun. Is it that? I'm looking at my
All right.
payments.
I thought your eyes was glued to the fucking chart, bro. Yes. What?
This song is amazing, bro.
You see how I cheered him up? Huh?
Fuck you,
You
bro.
see how I cheered him up? He was kicking himself. Yeah, I felt that little fucking we should have entered as well. But two options, Luan. You want to enter on this order block or enter on this fair value gap? Oh, you still got that. What was it? 21 bang on, isn't it?
21.08.
21.08. Mine's different.
What's yours? Earlier? 22. I'll move it to 22.
I'll move it now. I'll enter now, bro. Mine's bang on 21.
Move it 2108.
20 what?
2108.
2108. And your stop loss is 3316.71, right?
Yeah. 16.71.
What's the risk on it? It's not even 1% risk. Well, that's good though. RTP. Where do you want RTP at the current wick?
I'll put my TP at 43.
43? What, are you trying to pass the challenge?
Bro, it's not bad, you know. Look on a 4 hour.
Yeah, but are we trading 4 hour or?
No, I'm
I
trading.
mean,
Yeah, all of the, I mean day,
that
innit?
it is true.
It's not a bad trade.
Yeah, we'll just manage risk. Our TP is quite up there. We hope to, because I told Thingy as well, my other brother, that's just recently got started getting into trading. I mean, Price is doing exactly what I told him. I said, look, we moved this far on on Friday. Price is gonna retrace up here. 43 is a good number around this area. I'm looking for Price to retrace. Few things before that is this order block, this fair value gap. So we've got few hurdles to jump to actually hit that area. So the best thing we can do is just manage risk, not aim for a home run, but even if we get a little bit, we'll be alright. We'll be happy. But we gotta get filled first. My original idea isn't that bad either. It's like something like this. Where's our entry? Fuck. Three three two 1.08. Happiness. What songs do you want, man?
Hmm?
Do you listen to like classic songs?
No.
You
What do you
don't?
mean? Yeah,
Do
I
you like?
listen
Do you
to
like
a lot of things, bro.
like Michael Jackson and all them lot, like from back then?
Yeah, but I have to be in that mood, innit?
You are in that mood, bro.
Do I want to listen to Michael Jackson?
You got in that mood the moment we missed entry, bro. Where is it? I got a nice video of you, Luan, from the other day.
Oh.
Bro, I did not realize how lightweight you are.
I'm not lightweight.
You are, bro.
Bro, I went to spa, yeah.
Yeah.
I was up since early in the morning. I was
Yeah.
tired. My body
Okay.
was like
So you
completely
weren't
relaxed.
drunk?
Huh?
You weren't
Nah,
drunk?
I fell asleep. That's
Do you know how funny it is, yeah, guys? He
I
fell
fell
asleep.
asleep,
He
bro.
fell asleep halfway through eating his dinner. That's insane. I've never seen people fall asleep mid eating. 3316.71. 3316.71. So that's how. Look, wait, look. That's not a bad shout either, is it?
What?
1.72.
Hmm?
Entry, stop loss, take TP. It's not a bad shout. It's 700 something profit, which is above your. Well, it's right there, 1.7%. But anyway, he's there. Do you remember what you did? You had a plate here, and you're eating with your fork, yeah, and then your fork fell or something. I think you ate with your hand as well, because you had some like rice and shit like that on your hand. And next thing I know, the food is on the table, and I'll go look at you, and you got food on your hand, like dried up, and you're like
Tired.
dribbling everywhere, just out,
Stupid, man.
completely out.
Yeah, I was mad tired. That's why when I got there, I was like, I drank like what, 2-3 glasses. And I'm gone.
Absolutely gone. I hope that someone gets mine. You know, I would have been stopped out here if I had entered.
Hmm?
I would have been stopped out here if I had entered my other plan.
Why?
Because I would have entered like this with a stop. Actually, I wouldn't have. It would have been something like this. Because there's that structure that I told you about. I would also like to mention dynamic analysis. Right? Price has moved quite far without retracing and consolidating. We could be entering a consolidation, which ain't good for anyone. We've got about 1 hour left till the end of the live stream. If price consolidates, I don't know. We don't take any trades. But oh yeah, just for accountability, I want to show everyone the trade of. Wait, show me your trade from last week.
What do you mean?
Did your second one have a? What the hell? How did that happen? You wait, what?
You're 12.50 up, down, and I'm up.
How the fuck did that? So basically, that's the this is the start of the challenge. Yeah, that's Friday last week. What day was it? 6th. That's the day where we couldn't enter. I mean, go live on this channel, but we went. We recorded ourselves on the other one. The second one, I swear mine was on break even. I lost $12.50, and he's gained $12.50. You know what that is? That's the liquidity gone from here to yours.
No, I probably put.
A little
We
bit
didn't.
higher.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but that's fine. That is fine. One of the thing that we need to watch out, what I'm watching out for, is if we break and close below this wick, the previous 15-minute candle wick is good for this entry, because we're obviously gonna high probability of us getting tapped in. But on the other hand, my other trade, which is already in profit, that's gonna take a bit of a hit. Currently floating 1.4% profit right there. If it does get there, we're speaking back down to 0.8%. But I think it's fine because my stop loss on my other account is 17, right about here. So we're gonna have similar stop loss area. But that trade is on break even, so I don't really care. My personal 100k account, I don't care how long it takes. You know, I should really, because
Nah, that's good. That's
no,
good mindset. Because once you pass, then
yeah, but the problem with me is take profit is my problem, right? I'm quite disciplined. Um, Risk management is okay. I'll have like the problem with me is I'll have 3 months of good risk management, and then one day I'll just flip. I'll go fuck this, and then I'll just risk everything. That's my problem, which is a very
that's
bad
me
problem.
every day.
Huh?
I like full Maggie in
That's
every
the
day.
lad every day. Where are you from? South
Mhm.
Africa.
South Africa,
You are from South Africa, isn't it?
South America, bro.
Because the way you trade is like South Africans. Full margin. But anyway, that's my issue. Um, I forgot what I was getting to now.
Your 100 grand.
My 100k account. Yeah. So if I took profits where I'm supposed to be taking profits, I would have passed by now. There's been days where I've been floating 5 grand in profit and I end up closing it in like 3 grand, which is still good, right? But when I was floating 5 grand, I was like, I should be closing because price, it moves so quick. I knew it was gonna retrace, but my greedy ass didn't want to close the trade, and I just trailed my stop loss on the 15-minute chart, and ended up getting stopped out at 3%, which is there's so many point of views in it. I mean, some would say that's fine, some would say that's fine, which is fine. I'm not kicking myself, but the point I'm trying to make is if I TP that where I should TP, where I feel like okay, price is gonna retrace, I would have passed by now. But I'm at break even.
It's gonna tap us in.
I think so, bro. Even if we consolidate, yeah, I don't see the consolidation moving below this area. If anything, that's the top of the consolidation. That's the bottom of the consolidation. So we'll probably just hover around. It's just what I'm thinking. I'm not 100%. Can't be 100%. But by looking at this, yeah. If this was gonna carry on, yeah, it's gonna shoot up from this order block, or it would have carried on earlier. But let me show you guys TradeZilla how my other account is going, and you'll understand why I have issue with taking profit. Look at this. You guys, and this is me not taking profit where I should be taking profit. If had I took profits, um, I would be up. For example, prime example is today, yeah, on this trade, on this specific trade that I'm on right now on my 100K account. My TP was like here, right? My TP was there, but as it got close, I was like, what am I gonna lose? I'm not gonna lose anything because my stop loss is already at break even. The price is gonna go a lot higher than this, so just letting it run. Which is also fine, I guess. But do you know why this is a nice entry? Is because a lot of people would have probably entered with a stop loss just below this. And gold is notorious for, you know, doing whatever the fuck it wants. And it would be a nice place to enter as well because it would take liquidity, sweep the liquidity down here, tap us in, and it would be a nice rejection from Asia high as well. Ideally enter there, but we'll just trail it or whatever. By the way, Luan, I hope you look back at this video and look at your reaction, how you reacted when we thought we missed that trade. Yeah?
We have.
What do you mean we have?
Look.
You said, oh, it's gone. We missed the trade. It fucking flew.
Bro, if it doesn't, if it start, do you see how it's rejecting that
Yeah.
sort of area?
Yeah.
It can technically swing and go.
Oh, yeah. But you thought we completely missed it. What
Yeah, we
I'm
still
trying
got
to
a
say
chance.
is, fuck it if you miss it, but it's probably gonna. There's still a high probability that it's gonna tap that fair value gap. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah. You're right.
And the way price is acting right now, it could enter us, go straight to stop loss, close my other trade as well. Because we don't know how hard it's going to retrace. By looking at price action, it should only be here. Looking at higher time frame. Even this, innit? Do you see what I'm saying? Like, there's still like a lot big gap there that it needs to fill. And for 1 hour to close like that, that's not a very good sign. Well, for me on the other account, but it's a good sign for this. Take my breath away. Wait, you know, if we're having our TP so high up, we gotta leave it like pretty much the whole day, I would imagine, and then come back to it on the next session. By the way, next session is quite far away, isn't it?
Watch later on today. It will be on 4:43, 3:43.
Yeah, I would imagine so.
It's easily
At least in this area.
if you look at half an hour and 1 hour candle, it's easily achievable. Easily, it hasn't created a full move yet.
Yeah.
Look, see 1 hour.
Yes.
It's basically a pattern A. And it's going.
Yeah. I hear you, Luan. Whole lot of waiting. What am I? Oh shit. You know, in my 100K account, yeah, I was up like 3.4%, and I'm on plus 0.5%. So I've lost 3% like back to back. It's insane. I would have lost more, but I've been managing risks. That's why I've lost little. For example, like if I'm risking 1,000, I've been managing it by and then like ending up losing like 0.8%. Some trades I've risked 1,000 and cut it all the way to like 0.5% loss, which is a good risk management. But yeah, man, it's painful going from not floating, fixed 3% to fucking 0.5. Luan, can I show you something as well? You know how we created this?
Yeah, we've missed it this time.
Well, then I have a solution.
What's
Would you
the
like to
solution?
hear it?
Yeah.
If we break and close above this, yeah, and then the following candle, or even if this candle breaks this wick, I think we should enter one for one. Because I have a place to put my stop loss, right? That's why I wouldn't mind entering this, literally like this. If we break this, and if we break above this zone, this zone, and close on the third candle or the candle after that, we can enter. The only reason why I'm open to entering now is because we have somewhere to put stop loss, and it's a retracement, right? I feel more comfortable entering post retracement. Does that make sense?
Little
Or do
bit.
you not want to?
No.
No.
I don't know. I'm 50-50.
If you
I'm scared, bro, because 1 hour and 1.5 an hour
yeah,
has got room for
retracement.
Fred to, yeah, and then carry on.
Yeah. Good shout. Yes, you're right.
That's one side of thinking, but then the other is like, it's
But
already
look, here we
retracing
go.
off.
Look.
It's making.
Where did that go? Wait. I think it would be good because you see that if 1 hour breaks the previous wick, it's more likely it's going to carry on going up. Because you know, yes, possibilities of retracements but it might not always do it. Sometimes it will just leave you in it. Do you get what I'm saying? If 1 hour starts to break this,
It's calm. It's gonna come tap us in.
of course. But I'm just saying, if it doesn't, and we carry on going up, if it breaks that, more than likely it's gonna carry on going up. But we're 10 minutes into our 1 hour. It looks like we're gonna get tapped in. I hope we get tapped in. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go ditch some weight. Yeah.
Yeah.
See you in a bit. Looks good, isn't it?
connect with you. Like
Is that you?
What?
Connected?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, this is so sad. Look at this. She's parasailing.
Oh, I've seen this.
Has a panic attack and
I've seen
takes
this.
and fucking jumps off.
I've not seen the videos of that.
That's so sad, man.
I've seen it from the other point of view.
What was your point of view?
Like someone.
Look.
Yeah.
Really?
Why did she do that though? But that's crazy, isn't it?
I think she went into shock mode, didn't it?
Yeah, but
She was
what? So
maybe hallucinating.
so just
I don't know. I wouldn't have done it.
that's crazy, isn't it? Like instead of shouting, screaming for help and to put you down, just took off the whole damn thing and jumped into the ocean, and she died, innit? Ended up dying, bro. Sad. But hey, do you know what I like?
What?
Well, We're creating a nice. We are accumulating. Yeah, we're accumulating. We're gonna manipulate down. Yeah, tap into our order, and then we're gonna shoot back up. I think 5, 10, 15, at least for another 15 minutes we'll be in this. 15 minutes, guys, and then we're gonna enter. Well, not enter, get tapped in. Shoot back up. That's what I'm seeing. One, two, three, triple bottom. Hopefully, go back up here, come back down, tap us in, and then yeah, shoot back up. If we get entered, yeah, we can't move our stop loss because there's no risk management here. Like, there's no. The only way we can move it is when it clears this. We can move it to break even if we get tapped in. But that's mad because that is like 700 profits, so zero over 1% already.
Are you still on your other profit on your other position?
Yeah. Stop loss is like around here, which is a break even on the other account.
Oh, so you're on profit at the moment.
Yeah, still. I entered around here, and it's currently sat at break even. I just hope it doesn't break retest and fuck off.
Oh my days.
What? You seen this? It's like a flag formation, isn't it? Usually on a flag formation, it doesn't really sweep liquidity. Whichever side it breaks, it usually fucks off that way. But I'm very I don't know. I like looking at things from different point of view and different angle and move up. We got a footrest here. That's a good thing, innit? Do you think? Because we do a lot of waiting, so that's good to have it there. Look, it's gonna reject. It's gonna reject, and what's 1 minute saying? Yeah, it's gonna reject. Yeah. You see that nice little trend line forming? And
You'll break that there.
And we got a nice triple here. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing, Luan. Didn't I say it's gonna reject? Now, what I'm hoping for, well, what I would like to see is when it taps into our order, I want the next candle to go straight back up. I'll feel better when that happens. But if it carries on going down, then we might be fucked.
Yo. Office. Yeah. We need to go get in Tesco.
What the fuck, bro? Don't do that.
Yeah.
Biting his nails, bro.
Yeah, I got that.
Huh? You just ate a whole
Got
damn.
that here, bro. What do you mean?
Just ate like a breakfast muffin.
What do you mean? Yeah, you said 10 o'clock we leave, right? You said 10 o'clock we'll leave, yeah. So what time are we leaving? Okay. Right.
So close yet so far. But do you like what you're seeing now, huh? You think we still missed it?
It's good.
Patience.
Bro, I need to leave.
Patience pays.
I
You
need to
going?
leave. Yeah.
I'll update you. Give me that mic.
Yeah. I mean,
You gotta go take a shit.
good enough.
If it taps us in, it's good. Bro, if it doesn't, bro, fuck it.
What time are you gonna be here tomorrow?
Huh?
You gonna be here tomorrow?
Unfortunately, no.
Next day? What day is
It's next week.
Huh?
I'm in next week. Next Monday. I'll message you if something happens, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's peak, man. Even next Monday, I'm just in Monday, and then it's the following week, which is shit. But then like the post that, I'm in like quite often after that. So yeah, I work 4 on 4 off. I've got a day job. I fix trains, and because it's like a shift pattern, 4 days, 4 days of days, 4 days of nights. I'll have like a month of just weekends off, and then the next month will be like the weekdays off, and that's the one I like. So this month I'm mainly working weekdays, so very limited trading. But then next month it's yeah, next month looks good. I'll be trading a lot of days. Well, not in front of a chart. Ooh.
5x2.
Oh yeah. What I feel like should I have should have entry a bit higher. One hour looks a bit shit because our stop loss is potentially where price might retrace up to. That means my other trade stop loss will get hit as well, which is at break even, but it's nicer to take profit in it. What the hell? Luan, you wanna turn your Bluetooth off for a bit? Anyway, we've got 30 minutes, guys. I know it might have been a bit of a boring one because not much has happened. It is what it is. Four hours is coming to an end. When I see this, a 4 hour candle with 30 minutes left, I feel like it's not gonna do much because that's probably how it wants to close. One thing I don't like is that it has tapped into this 4 hour fair value gap, and the next 4 hour might shoot down, which is a potential. Um, 1 hour. I mean, in the next 30 minutes, it could potentially tap into this fair value gap and aim and go head higher, um, which is ideal. That's what we want. But yeah, man, we have a sticky one, 5 minute looks like it's about to break. Oh, that's not nice. Break. No.1. It has broken above the trend line. That could be an entry there. See what I'm saying? It's gonna shoot up now. No, it's gone the other way. Yeah, it's broke above that trend line. I don't know, man. This could have been the other trade. But we'll see, eh? We'll see. Things happen. You can't, like, just jump on anything. But I would hate to see this play out because it's like 9:30. And when he has to go for an event restricted by time. I could enter on my other account. Ooh! Do I want? You know what's mad is this could be the fake out as well. You always got to look at possibilities in it. Like, you can't just be like, yeah, that's a break and retest. It could be a fake out. Always look to protect yourself. Because that 1 minute closed back in there very quick.
Massive break on retest.
Not massive, just on the 1 minute. But look, I don't like how quickly that 1 minute wicked back in. Not wick, but closed back in. And I was telling them that it could be a fake out, right? To catch people like myself out, thinking that, oh shit, it's gonna go up now, enter on a buy, and then but instead it could go the other way. But I don't know. I was saying, you gotta look at possibilities in it and protect yourself. I think what the order we have is fine. The only thing I don't like is look, on the 30 minute or even on the 1 hour. 1 hour, sorry. You know where our stop loss is? That's an area where 1 hour might retrace into before going back up. That's the only thing I don't like. I like where our entry is, right? But I'm kind of thinking if it does break below its previous wick, it's gonna feel if it fills this up, that's a lot of time, a long time in a drawdown, and there's a possibility of us getting stopped out as well. But if we clear this, yeah. Do you get what I'm saying, Luan?
Yeah.
You see it in it, like this fair value gap on a higher time frame. Does that make sense? And entry on a Asia high would have been nicer with a stop loss down here. See you in a bit. Something like this would be nice, but we're trading a higher time frame now. Retest Asia low for a long. I don't fucking know, man. Trying not to trade 1 hour, although it might be more beneficial. Yeah, like that. We're creating a new. Just gotta adjust it all the time, innit? Yeah, man. I don't know. Anything can happen. We got a nice little support here building up. Don't want price to break and close below that. Ideally, I want price to, carry on going up. Yeah. A fat consolidation. Which I did mention earlier that we might be entering consolidation. And looking at a 30-minute chart, yeah. One of them. One of them. All we can do is wait. Not long now. Is 2 hour stream too long? I know like a lot of people just do like 1 hour streams and they only trade within that hour. Um I don't know. Ideally you'd want to trade just 1 hour and like pre London or something like 7 to 8. Not trade the whole damn London session. Not even whole, but you get what I'm saying. 8 to 10. So I feel like it's a long time. So in the future, I might adjust it to between 7 and 8. 7 and 8 pre-London, because I mean volume does change, move around sometimes. It's not always the same in it. But for example, today would have been good. For example, the other trade that I took, I think people would have appreciated watching that play out. I had that break and close above there, entered around about here, and TP was, I aimed for that, and which I hit, and I'm well above profit right now. But as a content, it was something like that, you know. But it's a shit when it consolidates. It's so long. TP is quite mad though. It's like all the way up here. I would say there, but Luan wants to go around 43. That's like, I checked it earlier. Yeah? It's like well above our thingy, not above, but we're past that this challenge in this one trade if that happens. Yeah, we don't even need that much. We'll pass the challenge at like 3-3, 3-3-3-1. Oh wait, shit! This ain't a 10k challenge. Sorry, my bad. I was thinking of a 10k challenge. Now that would be like almost 5% in. Come on, bro, do something. Do anything. But I think ideally TP should be here. Almost 3%. No same. It's quite funny though, not funny, but you'd hope price to like, you know, even if it consolidate, it would consolidate around here in it. But the good thing is it is sat above this zone. It's good for my other account, but bad for this account because the entry is like down here. And poor Luan wanted to enter like around here earlier. Um, where was it? Like here, he wanted to enter, which would have been good, but mm, gonna close inside the zone again. You know what I'm saying? I mean, look at that. Look at that. Right. I'm probably gonna end the stream now, just because we're just consolidating. Nothing's happening. I will leave the order and the stop loss where it is, and probably update you on the next session, which is unfortunately next week. Um, but just for the just as a proof, you know, not proof, but just so we don't do any stupid shit as well. We're gonna leave this order as it is. If it does enter our, you know, if we do get tapped in and we start like consolidating or doing something stupid around here, which we don't feel comfortable with, and we close it, then yeah, we'll close it. But TP, we don't know where our TP is. But I'm gonna try and convince Luan to take profit on the highs of these, but we'll see, bro. We'll see, and you'll find out on the next vlog, not vlog, but live session. Until then, we ain't gonna take any trades. If we do take trades, it will be our personal account, which you know I'll give you a little update as well. See what's happening with that. But for now, thanks for the 4 viewers that we've had. Hope to. I'm hoping you know you'll tag along with us in this journey, and you know come through the other end, past the challenge and all that good stuff. You know, everyone's got to start somewhere. So yeah, cheers guys, and I'm gonna end the stream now, and I'll see you on the next one.